Hey everyone, how's it going? So I'm gonna start doing daily analysis videos, and on the weekends, Saturday, Sunday, I'm gonna have it be more focused on higher time frames. And on the weekdays, I'm gonna do it basically from the 2 day, 3 day chart down to like the 1 hour chart. So right now we're gonna go look at the 2 week chart because I saw a lot of things here. I'm just gonna take these drawings off. So the good old MACD, the MACD indicator, we see that the last three tops that we had, the 2017 top, the 20K top, the I believe it was like the 14K top, and obviously the 65K top that we just had. Every time the MACD has crossed down, we can see that it's basically signaling the long term downtrend and the long term macro reversal. So obviously for the bulls, that's a bit of a concern. And here we have, it's just these two are two volatility indicators. These are direction neutral. So these, they've both have topped out, and basically every time they get really red, like they get really topped out or they are really, really low, it's signaling either a bottom or a top. So these two basically confirm what the MACD is saying right now for the higher time frames. And keep in mind, like the 2 week chart, every 2 weeks it gets one tick. So this could literally manifest out in the next like 3-4 months. Like it's just gonna be a boring sideways and possibly down summer. So I guess just take it with a pinch of salt. It's not gonna happen tomorrow. It's literally down the road. It's like macro stuff. So that was one thing I wanted to mention for the higher time frames. And now we can go to the daily chart. I'm gonna take these. Let's just go here. Take out the indicators because I like the order blocks. The order blocks really get it well. So here we see that we didn't destroy the structure. We did have a little bit of a dump, and it took out the low. It was a little bit worrying for the bulls, but it actually still maintained a higher low. And right now it looks like it's gonna close today's daily. It's gonna close in about like 5 hours, but so far so good. It's above the 21. It's getting rejected by this order block, but it's just, the first try. It's usually natural. It, it could very well get back up there. So short termish, that's good. It's showing a bit of strength. Um, Now I want to go to, let's see, I took some notes here. Yeah, so now we are gonna go to the 4 hour chart. Back on this, not this one. Where is it? Yeah, we're gonna go to the 4 hour chart here with all the volatility indicators. Yeah, so this is basically doing the opposite of what the 2 week was doing. You can see MACD's has a cross up. It's showing a little bit of momentum and it's losing a bit, but technically this is sideways because obviously it's just building up structure here. But if you look at the volatility, it's bottomed out on both of them. So when it's going to single digits, it's actually signaling a bit of a bottom. But keep in mind, this is the 4 hours, so it's not macro stuff. It's very short term stuff. It's like possibly like what we're gonna get the next couple days, the next week at most. So that's what this chart is doing. That's what the 4 hour is telling me. And also we have a cup and handle forming. It's not as good on the 4 hour, but we can check the 1 hour as well because it's showing it a lot better there. So we can see this is the cup part, and this is the handle. And you can just eye out the measured move. It's probably gonna get up to here. Test the previous high that we put, and if it closes above there, it's gonna be good. and we have a moving average here. I believe it is the 200, yeah, the 200 EMA. So closing above that, which will decent strength. And now we're gonna go back to the one that had my order blocks. Let's do it on, actually no, we can just do it on this one. Yeah, so 4 hour. You can see that basically this purple stuff is the Bollinger Band. So you can see that it's expanding to the upside. So this could potentially, if we close inside this blue box, we could potentially test the top of it, and the top of it is basically our previous high. So this is all looking pretty good short term. And now we're just going to give a quick look to the hourly as well, because the hourly had the cup and handle a lot better. Yeah, so you can see perfect cup over here, the handle, and building up a bit of structure here, kind of bull flaggish, but that's a little bit too long. Yeah, so what I would say is short term up, depending on how the weekly closes, and basically taking it level by level is the best. If you just get a close above the previous high and then look for the next level, look for the next order block, the next order block, that's the safest thing to do. And basically having your area of risk management adjusted as your TPs are getting adjusted if you are in a trade. It's just simple stuff, simple and basic stuff. Keeping it basic, keeping it simple is the way to go. There's no need to make trading more complicated. So I think that's about it. Yeah, so that's all the analysis for today. I just want to give a quick shout out to Trader Sam Wise. Check out his channel on Twitch. He's basically on 24/7. He's always scalping. And also check out Crown's Crypto Cave on YouTube. I've pretty much learned everything I know from Crown. I've taken his professional courses. I've been watching his daily analysis videos for the last like 3 years. He is a pro market maker, and he used to be a market maker in NYC, and he really knows his stuff. If you guys want somebody professional that knows what they're talking about, that can go into the details, he's the man. So basically that's it for today. I'm gonna leave it here with that. So I'll see you guys later. Take care. Have a good day.